I haven't seen you for so long. When I'm thinking of you, do you think of me too? Or have you found the place where you belong? Long ago, and so far away, twisted fate carried us along. From the window of your room, we stared at the moon and listened to its melancholy song. Feeling more than words can say as we watch the Milky Way spin around us for eternity. Though I found out that nothing stays, I'll always look back on those days with love. Truly. Feeling more than words can say as we watch the Milky Way spin around us for eternity. Though I found out that nothing stays, I'll always look back on those days of love. I don't know where you are today, in the sun or maybe in the snow. Do you remember the breeze that blew through the trees as I held you in my arms, then let you go? However far away you are, I'll always love you true.